welcome to NetNet's vlog. Here is
Those are two of my titas and my ate.
in
They're
Akron,
visiting.
Ohio.
Yes.
Hello.
They
It's
want to
Sunday.
visit the garden.
It's Sunday, June
Sunday.
28, 2026. I am Ate Cheat.
And I am Tito Remy.
And
I am Tita Miles.
From the island of
Pamangyanan.
I am from the island of
Down
Sydney.
Under.
Down Under.
Okay.
Okay.
So which one do you want to see?
Tita Mila was saying something about the flower
Those
there.
are
Oh, so amazing.
Tho-
Flower.
those are Shasta daisies.
Very nice.
Shasta daisy. This is an Asiatic lily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She said it's very expensive and
expensive.
amazing.
Yes.
Worth 500.
Worth
Look at my
500.
face.
Yes,
Hello.
there.
Hello.
That is highest. What do you call that? Yung ano,
Very nice.
Lily?
no, not lily. I forgot the name. Yung tita, yung mahaba, yung mga ganon. Yung ganon. No, not tulip. Hindi naman daffodils. Forgot the name.
I like that one. You see that one? the
Those
yellow
are
one?
Asiatic lilies.
This one first. We go here first.
Asiatic lilies yan.
So, Net, what is this?
Asiatic lily.
Yeah, Tito Kuya Lino said it is blooming now.
Yes. I did not put it on the ground because the chipmunks are eating the flowers
see?
and the bulb.
Favorite color.
Yeah, yellow.
And it's amazing. You're
Amazing.
joining Net's vlog.
Yes. Tomato at the back.
Where? Here?
So I still have to separate that because there are 5 plants.
No, that's so nice. You just put balag there.
Sabi ni Mommy,
See, I'm carrying it.
if we don't separate daw the
I like
tomatoes, it will not bear fruit. Is that correct?
It's like Santa Cruzan
Santa Cruz.
Yeah.
in Flores de Mayo.
Ayan, oh, yan, 'di ba?
Oh, diba? Ang
Ganda,
ganda.
'di ba?
Ganda.
It's better to have flowers on the pot, in the pot,
I like this.
From the garden.
instead of being eaten, 'di ba?
Okay.
No. Oh, where do you want to go?
There, you go
Those,
Net
the
first.
rose.
I like
These
the
are
roses.
roses.
Kaya lang, ito already, ano,
Have to deadhead. That's
it died, but the color is
Dianthus. Dianthus yan.
the
Yes.
nose of my tita.
Dianthus. This one
Yeah,
I
this
have to
one,
deadhead.
I
Yan.
like this. And this one, Net.
Naku naman. May, alam nyo ba, may bud na to. Nakagat na naman, no? Naputol. Siguro ng rabbit. Naabangan ko to. There was a bud here. White rose yan. Nawala na naman. I have to spray.
Yung mga sili.
Sili?
I
Sili?
I
They like
cannot see
sili?
the flowers, so I have to remove my eyeglasses, my sunglasses.
Yan. Those are cornflowers. Ito, cornflowers.
This one.
Cornflower. Cornflower.
Cosmos flower.
Yan.
Native of
Native of
Ohio. Native of Ohio.
Can they hear with the microphone? I think they can still hear it.
Yes.
Because there is a mic there. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, everyone. I know if I put this one.
And you show the
You cannot hear it without the mic.
okay, you show the
Oh, that is
extent of
surrounding.
the property.
Maybe that is avocado tree.
The property of my brother and my sister,
Father.
Net and
There.
June.
There.
Here, look at the tree. Ito, gusto mo mag-slide dun. Ayun na slide yun.
Sa kapitbahay. The neighbor, that's the neighbor's playground.
Okay, let's walk.
Playground set.
You go
The
ahead.
tool set, the mower. That's theirs. Yes.
You
Yes.
go ahead, T.
This one is ours. That one is theirs. That's Moana. It's very big. Pag mga siguro after spring, I will cut.
Oh, yeah. So that
Mm-mm.
you don't see the house.
You go ahead.
You go ahead.
Yes.
Ito, dahlia. This is dahlia. Dahlia. Yan, meron na siya isang mubuka.
The favorite.
Ah, dahlia pala yan.
Dahlia.
Like
There.
everlasting. Ano?
Dahlia.
Oh, this one is amazing.
Dahlia,
Dahlia.
amazing.
Dahlia. That is foxglove, tita.
Huh?
Yan, seeds na lang yan eh.
Ito na, ito't maganda. This one.
Foxglove.
Maybe this is a
Foxglove.
guava tree.
This one is nice.
Foxglove.
Very nice.
That's supposed to be
Long
forsythia.
stem.
Forsythia. It's supposed to turn spring. To turn yellow when it's springtime, pero hindi.
Guava tree.
That is hibiscus. Gumamela. White. Wala pa siya eh. Ayan ang buds niya. There, buds.
We have good weather today because the past
Yeah.
few days it was raining.
Yeah.
Ayan, there's another butas.
Where's the butas?
There. Done by the chipmunks.
So
chipmunk.
why are they doing that?
Doon sila pumapasok eh. That's their home. Or
Kasha sila dyan? I saw a small
ayan,
chipmunk.
there.
Where?
Ayan, ang daming butas.
Ayun, ito, ano that?
Yan, I will always cover that when I
That's a
see
pump.
it.
Big stone.
So you mean to say they live under the ground?
Yes.
Violet.
That
Oh,
is
chrysanthemum.
coral bell.
It's good for Christmas.
Yes, coral bell, daylily,
Ba't nangangatal ka?
hosta.
Nangangatal ka?
Nangangatal.
Hindi kasi move ka. Keep on moving.
Keep on
Kailan
moving.
ko po na.
Well, look
There.
at the damo. They are flowering.
That's not the mo, tita. That's daylily.
Yeah, it's like
Ito.
dragon.
And
What's
this is,
Nice color.
yes, that is,
Color green.
nakakalimutan ko na sa dami ng mga,
Dapat meron ka listahan eh.
I forgot.
That one.
Yes. Some are given. Yun, pulmonaria. Yun.
One is nice.
I forgot this,
Paranahin natin.
Paborito ko rin to eh.
Ganda.
Yan.
This one, oh, very nice.
So Lola always
Ah.
upstairs.
Wygila yata yan.
Sis.
Wygila.
Yeah.
Tapos
Wow,
yan,
we are
pink
already
rose.
Face the
Perspiring.
camera.
Wygila.
Perspiring
Yan.
already.
Oh, it's so
Enjoy
hot.
the summer.
It's so hot today.
Enjoy the summer.
And it's amazing again.
Nainis ako dun sa rose ko. May white bud.
White
Rose
bud?
bud na wala. I have to spray.
There.
Ayan, tingnan mo. Ito, yan.
Yes, nung isang araw, buds lang ito mga ito.
Yan.
Oo, yun. Lalo na yung white na yun. Buds lang.
Ay, those are hydrangeas.
Ne.
Oo.
They look like that.
Oh, this looks
Huh?
like cosmos.
The big tree.
Tita,
Only this
Tita
one.
Mila, this looks like
Yan,
cosmos.
sa kanila na yan.
Tita, what's this?
What's that?
This one.
Yarrow, yellow yarrow. Mapanghe?
Yes, it is.
Yellow.
Maybe the squirrel wee or the rabbit. It looks like cosmos.
Yarrow. Yarrow. Ito white. White. Yarrow.
It's
Yarrow.
nice.
Yarrow.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yan.
Pati yun, ah.
Nice. Yeah.
Yun. Tapos yellow rose yung maliit.
You should have a sampaguita here or a jasmine.
It has flowers also.
Yes, that's the coral bell.
Hindi, mga kapag may seeds nun.
Alan? Ay, hydrangea. Ay, yarrow. Wala.
That this one is like that.
It's a hydrangea, yes.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The other day, it's only buds. They're only buds. Like Santa
Yan
Ana.
na. Santana.
Ang mahal
Yeah.
niya. Santa Ana.
The roses
Yan, red
are already dried.
rose. Ito, I will spray. Baka mawala.
Why?
Parang Santa Ana.
Kinakagat nila yung mga ano eh.
Hindi, may ganito.
Yan. Pwede ba yan sa mainit?
I don't think so. Because
Ano ito?
Sa,
Hydrangea.
ano,
Hydrangea.
sa implant.
Hydrangea, tita.
Yun yung mga
Hy-
hydrangea pa yun.
Hydrangea.
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 Parang
Yan,
chijaja.
The name of the flower.
Yes.
Yes.
The kind of hydrangea is limeta. Yan yung unang-unang nag-bloom sa mga hydrangea.
Iba-ibang kulay niya.
Net is like a botanist.
That one's a coneflower.
Look, it's what do you call this?
Coneflower.
Parang hybrid na colors.
Dati red yan. Yan. Mukhang red orange.
Yeah, because probably of the
Meron pala akong mic, hindi ko ginagamit. So, hindi ako naririnig kanina siguro. Oh my. This is the hydrangea limeta.
Very nice.
I
Red
don't know, my
rose.
mic
I
is
have to
working.
spray.
We can only bring that even upstairs.
put it in your bag.
Ay, may ano pala. My mic is ano na. Drained na.
Your
No, wala
microphone
na.
is important.
Yours. Is it working?
Should I put it on?
Oh, nan. It's working. Yours was working.
I'm just gonna hold the microphone. Look at that.
Enjoy the summer.
Oh, it's so hot.
Look at this.
Hot na hot. That's a lavender, tita.
I know that.
Lavender.
I know that. We have like that. But it's
Lavender.
hard
Ayan ang
to...
hydrangea, tita. The different color that you were talking about.
No, look at them, oh. They have like that, like yours.
Hydrangea.
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 Yes.
Why is your wall like a cabinet? Gano?
Oo nga eh. Ewan ko, ganun yung ano eh.
Yes.
Yes. Tapos the coral bells in different colors.
Dancing queen.
Ito, this one is ano, allium.
No, allium. Oh, tingnan mo. Look at this, tita.
Look at this.
It's amazing.
So sarap na sa
That's it.
Oh, that's a yan, allium. Allium.
Is it a flower? It looks like a, ano?
Small, magbubukas pa yan eh. Tita, this one is ano, coreopsis.
How come you memorize all of the flower
Hindi ko na
names? Net?
matandaan yung iba eh. Ayan pa yung hydrangea. Oh. That's a yarrow.
Ayan, is that the one? If they're
Pink.
full bloom?
How do you call this? That's the yarrow. The one like the yellow and the white there on the side.
It's like very small.
Oh, look at tita. She's in the
Berries.
balcony.
Balcony na. Tapos that's a,
Beautiful.
yes. That's a rose.
Look at that.
Ayan, big. Mas malaki siya.
Beautiful and amazing.
And look at
Laki,
the
di ba?
butterfly.
Yeah, the butterfly.
Where?
The fake butterfly.
Wow.
Ito, red and white. Red and white rose yan.
Where is the butterfly?
Ayan.
Akala ko.
Rose, red and white yan, tita. This
Oh,
one you call the balloon flower. Yan.
This one?
Yes.
Papakita ko sa grupo ko.
Later.
You
after
think
our,
the mic can,
after
you
our
can hear
video.
here?
Oh, siguro.
Papadala ko sa aking music.
Ito, tita, that's why they call this the balloon flower. Tinan mo, parang balloon. Tapos bubuka siya.
Net, look at me.
And then when it
Yan.
open,
Just like that. Yes. Mm.
It's like talong.
They are all real
Yeah.
flowers.
Yes.
No artificial flowers.
No artificial po. Artificial flower.
Okay, so let's dance.
Okay, that's it.
Here
Ito pa,
pa.
here pa.
That's all for now.
I want to see the Benny.
Ah,
This is like garlic flower.
ay, that is ano. Ay, nakalimutan ko
Smell
na
flower,
ulit.
yeah. Smell garlic.
Smell garlic? Hindi na. Ay, mabango yan, tita. Para siyang, petunia. That's petunia. Petunia. That's begonia.
Tita, petunia.
Petunia.
Begonia, sabi,
Doña Petunia.
begonia. Begonia, sabi ni mami, favorite daw yan ni Lola.
Yes, this one.
The begonia. Yeah.
There, the
Like
Benny's.
plastic flower.
The Benny Stadium.
Oh, this
Memorial.
one.
Memoriam.
Yan na naman, may butos na naman, oh.
And this one.
Eh, naku, Net.
There is Benny.
Kawawa naman yung mga chipmunk.
Ano ba sila?
Here's Benny.
There's Benny. Yes.
Hindi ba nakalibing si Benny?
Hindi, wala. Ano lang yan?
Beside Benny's
It's just
Memorial.
a memorial.
Ay, saan
In memory.
Nandun.
Na kay Carol. Ashes.
Ashes.
Yes.
Eh, Net, ano yun?
Alin?
They're like that.
What?
Towel.
This
There's a
one?
towel.
It's a welcome. It's a banner. Welcome banner. Yan o.
See?
Lagi na ano eh.
Net has got a very
There.
beautiful garden. It's
Ito,
amazing.
hostas.
It's amazing and it's
This one is
beautiful.
Sister Rosie. Rosie. Ayan pa tita yung ano, Oriental lily.
Saan galing yung mga sihi na yan?
Ay, dati na yan dyan eh.
Ay, nako, the shell. Where did that come from? That's from Mindoro.
No, it was left by the previous owner.
Kaya nga, we have shells like that in Mindoro.
Very expensive.
Ayan, that Oriental
Eh,
lily.
tita, in our, it's not expensive, but it's still expensive.
Oh, very nice.
You know, in
Yan, Rose
Mindoro, we have
also.
shells like that.
Ayan tita, yung dati mo nakikitang sabi mo expensive. Ito yun sila. Magbubunga pa. The pink and white Oriental lilies. Yan siya.
Milet, ito ang ano.
Ito, you might fall down
Cherry
there.
blossom, Milet.
Ito yung nag-cherry
Cherry
blossom.
blossom, ito. Punong ito.
Before siya mag-green.
Yan ang cherry blossom.
Yes. But
Okay.
it's now green.
It's all over.
So,
Oh, very nice.
Tita, let's
Are
say
you
bye-bye first.
are you done with the tour?
Tita, come here.
We have already accomplished our
You should join us, Net.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us
mission.
in NetNet
Yay.
garden with relatives from all over across the Pacific Ocean. Bye! Hope you enjoy this episode.
Bye.
Bye! God bless.